UAE Worksheets. Noor and the Colors of Unity. A UAE flag story. In a beautiful city in the United Arab Emirates, there was a 9-year-old girl named Noor. Noor loved learning new things, especially when it came to her country. One day as Flag Day was getting closer, she noticed something. "Wow, there are UAE flags everywhere!" Noor exclaimed, looking around her school. Noor noticed the UAE flags on airplanes high in the sky. On tall buildings, big flags hung proudly. At school, flags were all over the walls. Some students even made their own craft flags. Noor noticed many flag decorations whenever she was in a shopping mall. But Noor started to wonder, what do the colors mean? She was so curious that she decided to ask her teacher. The next day at school, Noor raised her hand and asked, "What do the colors of our flag mean?" Her teacher smiled and said, "That's a great question. Let me explain. Red means bravery," her teacher said, pointing to the red part of the flag. Bravery is being strong and doing what's right, even when it's scary. Green represents hope and prosperity. Hope is believing that good things can happen. Prosperity is when people have what they need to be happy and healthy. White symbolizes peace. Peace is when everyone gets along and there's no fighting. And black stands for strength and resilience. Strength is having the power to keep going, even when things are tough. Resilience is being able to bounce back after something hard happens. Noor listened carefully, and felt more proud of what the UAE flag represented. "It's not just a flag," Noor thought to herself. "It's a symbol of unity, strength, and the history of my country. I never knew our flag had such a deep meaning. I can't wait to learn more about it," she thought to herself. After school, Noor went to the library. She found books filled with interesting facts about the UAE flag. One book explained how the flag was designed by a 19-year-old boy who won a contest after seeing an ad in the newspaper. From that day on, every time Noor saw the UAE flag waving proudly in the wind, she felt proud and connected to her country. The end. Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to UAE Worksheets. Don't forget to check out our other videos and leave us a comment about what you learned today.